In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Tap on all of your photos you wanna add, or if you can't find them, scroll down to look for them here. Once you find and click on all of them, choose Done at the bottom right corner and send them. If you want to take a photo and add it within Messages app, use the same icon. Operate camera section at the top, and once you snap a picture, it will be automatically attached to your message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!